Come test drive the 2018 Silverado 1500. The Chevy Silverado 1500 has the lowest cost of ownership of any full-size pickup. This vehicle has less than 45,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: four-wheel drive, tow hitch, aluminum wheels, daytime running lights, four-wheel disc brakes, fog lamps, HID headlights, tires, front all-terrain, tires, rear all-terrain, power steering. Is love at first sight really possible? Let us know when you stop in.